If I don't have a line of code here, notice it's giving me errors. Now, if I intended to do something later, here's a little placeholder that you can put in there that will get rid of that error until you fill it in. Notice that a comment doesn't fix this. A comment is still giving me an error. It says indent expected. However, there is a reserved word that we can use that does nothing but will keep you from getting an error there, and it's called pass. Just think if you're playing like a board game, like Uno, it's like the skip card, right? It just says, hey, we're not doing anything here yet, but it prevents an error. Now this, bless you, this code is 5 lines that accomplishes absolutely nothing. If I run this, nothing will happen. So that was maybe a waste of time, but it's a structure that you can familiarize yourself with. And I sometimes use pass if I just intend to go back and fill that in later, just to keep the errors from piling up on me. Now notice that is underlined in yellow, and if I hover over it, it says this code is unreachable. Why is that code unreachable?
It's already passed.
Nope. It has to do with my expression in the if statement. Yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, so true is always true. There's no circumstance ever when true is going to be false, and therefore else is never even going to be used. So that is why we want to make sure that we've got something in each branch of this code.